Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just go to log into drive.google.com. Okay, hit on enter. You can go ahead and use Dropbox and some other similar websites, okay, or softwares. Now in here, let's just go ahead and go to the top left and click on New. In here, let's go ahead and click on File Upload. Click on it. Now go ahead and select the specific PDF where you wanted to create a link. All right, like this one. So just click on it and hit on Open. Wait for it to upload. And then once done, you can go ahead and click on the folder icon right here to show the file location. And in here, as you can see, here we have the PDF file. So just basically right click on it, click on share, and again, share. Do not copy the link for now, okay? In here, because when you copy the link and then close the browser, well, other people who tries to access it will not be given a permission, okay? So basically, they cannot open it. So what you'll do in here in this section is just go ahead and click on under general access, click on restricted, and make sure that you set this one to anyone with a link. If not, you can keep it to restricted and just type down the receiver's email addresses, okay? That is it. Type down the emails or select from one of your contacts, like so. And then once done, you gotta add in a message and hit on send. If not, again, restricted, make sure that it is set to anyone with a link. Wait for it. And then once done, copy the link from here. And then when I go ahead and open up a private browser and paste the same exact link right here, I should have access to the PDF file. So people can just easily download it or print it from here. All right. And there you have it. That is how you create a URL link for a PDF document. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.